Please excuse the background noise. I was not aware I had to do an actual video recording for this assignment, but this is the video response to the A Problem Worth Solving video. Question 1. Biggest takeaways from the video for me, especially after my 30-second pitch earlier today. I realized that I wasn't really sure what problem that I actually was trying to solve. So yeah, I feel like that was the main issue, and you could tell, from my pitch that there wasn't really much substance to it. So once I realized I didn't solve the problem, I also realized that I wasn't developing solutions in a good manner either. After Dan described exactly how solutions should be developed in the video, it made things much more clear for me.
Hit me.
Yeah, I really do apologize. I'm doing this in the middle of work. Promise this won't happen again. But yeah, so that's the biggest takeaway I had from the video. So now, something I noticed a lot of people really get frustrated with is just like not reaching goals that they have. Like me personally, I've had goals of becoming a professional track athlete before I started studying computer science, of course. But I had all these goals of becoming a professional track athlete and doing all these things that never worked out. And I noticed a lot of people are frustrated with things like that too. Like, there's people that wish that they had, developed a company at some point in their life, or people who at a young age, wanted to be astronauts or salesmen or things like that. And for one reason or another just didn't end up doing it. A lot of evidence to show this would be people, job satisfaction rates in America, or other parts of the world, or people who are living in poverty. I would say that helps show that there is a problem, evidence of the problem, because if people were actually fulfilling their dreams, it usually means that they are doing some kind of work for society, which would mean, of course, there'd be some value for that, which would mean they would not be living in poverty. Again, people in depression can also make an argument for that. But I think the best one for me is people who drop out of school. At some point, everyone needs an education to fulfill their dreams, but a lot of times that education that they may be getting might not be the right one. So, why does this problem need to be solved? What value could I bring to others by solving this problem? Well, the main thing I always hope people create value for society by fulfilling their dreams. That would happen by developing an explicit roadmap for people to follow, instead of just having these wants and desires. A few examples of an app that is actively solving a problem. One is called Digit. It's an automated savings app that takes money out of your bank account for you, little by little, in amounts that you probably won't even notice. And it solves the problem of people not actually saving money and ending up having to live check by check. A good example of an app that doesn't solve a problem, in my opinion, would be an app called Mint, that really just tells you how you've already spent your money. And in most cases, you have a pretty good idea of how you spend your money, and doesn't really do anything to actively help you spend less money or, stretch your money and get the most you can be getting out of it.